The first step is to open Canva, and in the Search Your Content or Canvas field, type Whiteboards. Click on Whiteboards. Click on a Canva whiteboard template. Click Customize this template. That will open the whiteboard template in your design editor, so you can personalize it. Alternatively, scroll down on the Canva main page and click Whiteboard under You Might Want to Try. You can choose a whiteboard template from your design editor as well. Click a theme to narrow your template choices. Click a template to load it into your editor. Whether you searched for and added a template from the main page or the editor, once you've edited the whiteboard or are ready to collaborate on it, click Share. Click the drop-down under Collaboration link. Click to choose how to share the whiteboard. Only you can access, share with your team, or share with anyone with the link. Canva will confirm the link sharing changes. To share the link based on your sharing settings, click Copy Link. To close the sharing menu, click Share. Now anyone who has your permission can collaborate on the whiteboard with you. That's it, you're done.